Hello students, welcome to SRM biology classes. The next important topic subjected to discussion in the dot reaction is photorespiration. It is also designated as glycolate pathway, or it is popularly termed as C2 cycle. It is a wasteful biochemical reaction. It is a useless biochemical reaction. In the last, I will summarize the wastefulness of the C2 cycle. Naturally, the most abundant enzyme present on the surface is called Rubisco. The enzyme Rubisco, in the excess of carbon dioxide, it effectively converts ribulose biphosphate into phosphoglyceric acid. The synthesized phosphoglyceric acid, it take part in the biosynthesis of sugar, ATP, and other series of biochemical reactions are initiated by the enzyme Rubisco in the excess of carbon dioxide. The enzyme Rubisco, it shows affinity towards both carbon dioxide and also towards oxygen. In the environment, the excess availability of oxygen leads to photorespiration. In a valid terminology, the photorespiration is defined as the enzyme Rubisco oxidizes to ribulose biphosphate into PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, in the excess of oxygen. To denote the excess of oxygen, I stated the word oxidizers. The enzyme Rubisco, resulting in conversion of carboxylase enzyme into oxidizers, thereby RUBP, instead of converting into phosphoglyceric acid, it will get converted into phosphoglycolate in the excess of carbon dioxide, leads to photorespiration. In invalid terminology, the photorespiration is defined as the enzyme Rubisco oxidizes ribulose biphosphate into phosphoglycolate in the excess of carbon dioxide. Leads to photorespiration. It is also defined as the excess intake of oxygen leads to excess release of carbon dioxide, is also designated as photorespiration. The excess intake of oxygen leads to excess release of carbon dioxide, is also designated as photorespiration. Apart from both the definitions, the first definition is more precise. The enzyme Rubisco, it is subjected to oxidization in the presence of excess of oxygen. RUBP, ribulose biphosphate, will get converted into 2 carbon containing phosphoglycolate is synthesized in the excess of carbon dioxide, leads to photorespiration. The concept of photorespiration was discovered by Otto Burr. Was discovered by Otto Warren Burr. According to Otto Warren Burr interpretation, as a result of the conversion of the enzyme ribulose biphosphate carboxylase into ribulose biphosphate oxidizers leads to the conversion of ribulose biphosphate into 2-carbon containing glycolate is synthesized. Will gets converted into 2-carbon containing phosphoglycolate is synthesized. Such a unique interpretation was made by Otto Warren Burr. Otto Warren Burr. The enzyme Rubisco. The enzyme Rubisco is the most abundant enzyme found on the surface. It binds to both carbon dioxide and also towards oxygen. In the excess of carbon dioxide, it naturally take part in conversion of ribulose biphosphate into phosphoglyceric acid leads to the initiation of C3 cycle. As a result of initiation of C3 cycle, it is evident with the biosynthesis of sugar and ATP during the course of C3 cycle. If the availability of carbon dioxide is less, followed by the increased availability of oxygen, resulting in conversion of ribulose biphosphate carboxylase into ribulose biphosphate oxygenase enzyme, resulting in conversion of ribulose biphosphate into 2-carbon containing phosphoglycolate is synthesized. The synthesized phosphoglycolate during the course of C3 cycle, it does not take part in the liberation of either sugar or ATP. Instead of biosynthesis of sugar and ATP, it is evident with the biosynthesis of 2-carbon containing phosphoglycolate is synthesized. The synthesized phosphoglycolate, instead of production of sugar and ATP, it exhibits the consumption of ATP instead of fixation of atmospheric carbon dioxide. It take part in the release of carbon dioxide. Neither it take part in the ATP. In addition to this, it take part in the release of carbon dioxide because of the utilization of ATP followed by the liberation of carbon dioxide. The phosphoglycolate synthesized during the course of photorespiration is a wasteful chemical compound, leads to wasteful biochemical reaction called photorespiration. Why? The photorespiration is a wasteful biochemical reaction is it neither take part in the sugar or ATP. Instead of that, it take part in the utilization of ATP followed by the release of carbon dioxide. With the synthesized 2-carbon containing phosphoglycolate, it neither take part in the sugar or ATP. Yes, the glycolate cycle or the C2 cycle is a wasteful biochemical reaction. biochemical reaction. The exhibition of photorespiration is seen only in case of C3 plants, that particularly in the mesophyll region, you can find the exhibition of photorespiration. The photorespiration is seen only among the C3 plants. The exhibition of photorespiration is purely depends upon the availability of carbon dioxide and oxygen. If the availability of carbon dioxide is more, then it take part in the initiation of C3 cycle, resulting in the synthesis of first stable chemical compound called phosphoglyceric acid. Thereby it take part in the biosynthesis of sugar and ATP. If the availability of the carbon dioxide is less, followed by the highest concentration of oxygen, leads to the conversion of ribulose biphosphate carboxylase enzyme into ribulose biphosphate oxygenase enzyme. As a result, the enzyme ribulose biphosphate oxygenase enzyme, it will convert ribulose biphosphate into 2 carbon containing phosphoglycolate. Because of the presence of 2 carbon atoms, that type of the cycle is designated as C2 cycle. Naturally, you can find the presence of photorespiration only in case of C3 plants. If the availability of oxygen leads to photorespiration. During the course of photorespiration, the synthesized phosphoglycolate, it neither take part in the biosynthesis of, sugar or ATP. Instead of that, it directly take part in the utilization of ATP, followed by the release of carbon dioxide. Because of this unique characteristic feature, the glycolate cycle or the photorespiration or the C2 cycle is a wasteful biochemical reaction. This is with reference to the main important features of photorespiration. The increased intake of oxygen leads to excess release of carbon dioxide is also designated as photorespiration. The enzyme Rubisco oxidizes to or UBP to phosphoglycolate in the excess of carbon dioxide. In the excess of intake of oxygen leads to excess release of carbon dioxide, leads to photorespiration. This is with reference to the main important cycles in the dark reaction. In the next class, I will end the chapter with the factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis. In the next class, it will going to end. In the meanwhile, I will discuss more MCQ questions in this class, and in the next class, I will end the multiple choice questions followed by the theory. Thank you very much. With reference to the multiple choice questions under photosynthesis. Question number 39, page number 109. Accumulation of food in the assimilatory cells resulting in the decrease in the rate of photosynthesis. With the accumulation of food in the storage organelles, leads to decrease in the rate of photosynthesis. Photorespiration in C3 plants start from phosphoglycolate. Start from phosphoglycolate. Start from phosphoglycolate. Etiolated plants are formed due to the lack of. It is naturally seen in case of xeophytes, shade-loving plants. With a lack of sunlight, the leaves are subjected to paleness. The pale-colored leaf with a less availability of light are purely designated as etiolated leaves. Etiolated plants are formed due to the lack of light intensity. Generally, carbon dioxide is not limiting for the hydrophytes because mesophytes plants fix H2S in their photosynthesis during the course of photosynthesis. It is naturally seen in case of hydrophytic plants. In case of hydrophytic plants, because of the presence of moisty areas, instead of water, it makes use of H2S as a limiting factor. What is called Warburg effect on photosynthesis? The increased rate of oxygen availability leads to sudden decrease in the photosynthesis, that is called Warburg effect. The low rate of process due to oxygen supply. In such a conditions, the enzymes are subjected to oxidization, resulting in low rate of photosynthesis. Bacterial photosynthesis involves photosystem 1 only with the absorption of light energy at 700 nanometers. Photosystem 1 only. The first acceptor of electrons from an excited chlorophyll molecule of photosystem 2 is when light incident on the chlorophyll A molecule at 680 nanometers, resulting in the excitation of chlorophyll molecules, led to the formation of pheophytin. From the pheophytin led to the formation of plastoquinine. Quinine is the first acceptor of electrons from an excited chlorophyll molecule during the course of photosystem 2. In the leaves of C4 plants, especially the plants growing in the tropical and in the subtropical region, you can find the exhibition of C4 cycle. Some of the important plants are, in case of maize, sorghum, sugarcane, in case of amaranthus members, and in case of succulents, you can find the presence of C4 cycle. In the leaves of C4 plants, malic acid formation during the carbon dioxide fixation occurs in the cells of mesophyll. In case of C4 cycle, the plant that exhibit trans anatomy will favor the exhibition of C4 cycle in the mesophyll region. During the course of C4 cycle, the phosphoenol pyruvate will get converted into 4-carbon containing oxaloacetic acid through the enzyme phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme. Later, through the enzyme malate dehydrogenase, the 4-carbon containing oxaloacetic acid will get converted into malic acid, in the mesophyll region. The synthesized malic acid is slowly diffused to the bundle sheath cells in order to initiate C3 cycle. The biosynthesis of malic acid formation is confined to mesophyll region. During photosynthesis, when phosphoglyceric acid is changed into phosphoglyceraldehyde, It will get converted into phosphoglycerate. Which of the following reaction will occur? It exhibits reduction, strong reduction process led to the formation of reduced sugar. NADP is reduced to NADPH in case of non-cyclic photophosphorylation. In case of non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Question number 49. Which technique has helped in investigation of Calvin cycle? By making use of C14 carbon atom for the first time, Melvin Calvin discovered the exhibition of C3 cycle in case of green plants. The radioactive isotope technique. Ferredoxin is a constituent of photosystem 1. During the course of photosystem 1, the incidence of light energy at 700 nanometer on the chlorophyll A molecule resulting in the excitation of chlorophyll A led to the formation of ferredoxin reduced substrate. The ferredoxin reduced substrate gets converted into ferredoxin. Later it will get converted into cytochrome B6 and cytochrome F. The cytochrome F will get converted into plastoquinone. The synthesized plastoquinone will enter into cyclic process to the chlorophyll A molecule. The cytochrome B6 and cytochrome F are the derivatives of ferredoxin is the constituent of photosystem 1. Maximum solar energy is trapped by the plants growing in the tanks, that is particularly algal population, within a short duration with the exhibition of J-shaped curve followed by the increased availability of the nutrients. It exhibits log phase. It never attains stationary phase. Growing algae in tanks. Which one occurs both during cyclic and non-cyclic modes of photophosphorylation? The formation of ATP. In case of cyclic photophosphorylation, in between cytochrome B6 and cytochrome F, you can find the biosynthesis of 2 molecules of ATP. In the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, in between cytochrome F and cytochrome B6, it is evident with the biosynthesis of 1 molecule of ATP. Formation of ATP. Next question. Chlorophyll A molecule at its carbon atom 3 of pyrrolose ring 2 dash group as one of the following. It is the presence of methyl group. In the center of the pyrrolose ring, you can find the presence of magnesium ions. The core component of the chlorophyll is characterized by the presence of magnesium. In this question, towards the 3 carbon atom, you can find the presence of methyl group. Which one of the following statement about the cytochrome P at 450 is wrong? It contains iron is the wrong statement. It take part in the oxidization reaction. It is normally found in the colored cells, and also it is very, very important in order to exhibit the phenomenon of metabolism. The wrong statement is it contains iron. How many turns of Calvin cycle yield 1 molecule of glucose? For the biosynthesis of exosugar, it requires 6 cycles. It requires 6 cycles of Calvin cycle. Fixation of 1 carbon dioxide molecule through Calvin cycles requires. In the C3 cycle, I clearly explained 18 molecules of ATP gets converted or utilized resulting in the formation of 18 molecules of ADP. For the fixation of one molecule of carbon, it requires 3 molecules of ATP. During the course of C3 cycle, 12 molecules of NADPH will get converted into 12 molecules of NADP. Will get converted into 12 molecules of NADP. For the fixation of one carbon dioxide molecule through Calvin cycle, it requires 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH2. It requires 2 molecules of NADPH2 for the formation of exo sugar. For fixation of one molecule of carbon, it requires 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH2. Which pigment system is inactivated in red drop? It is photosystem 2. It is photosystem 2. Cytochrome is iron containing porphyrin pigment. Cytochrome B6 and cytochrome F are characterized by the presence of iron. But cytochrome P450, it does not contain iron. Hence, I illustrated that in the question number 54. It contains iron is the wrong statement pertaining to cytochrome P450. Stomata of CAM plants. CAM refers to cross-Lucian acid metabolism. In case of cross-Lucian acid metabolism, it is evident with the formation of oxaloacetic acid with malic acid derivatives. It naturally is seen in case of xerophytic plants. In order to avoid the extreme sunlight during the night condition, the stomata remain closed during the day condition. It remains open only in the night conditions in order to conserve water. Stomata of CAM plants open during the night and closed during the day condition in order to conserve water. Question number 60. Which fraction of the visible spectrum of solar radiation are primarily absorbed by carotenoids of the higher plants? That is violet and blue light. Which of the following is wrong in relation to photorespiration? Wrong in relation to photorespiration. The photorespiration is seen in case of C3 plants. It normally occurs in the mesophyll region. It occurs in the daytime conditions. But the wrong statement is it is the characteristic feature of C4 plants. In case of C4 plants, you can find the presence of Kranz anatomy. The exhibition of photorespiration is purely depends upon the availability of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Increase the availability of oxygen leads to photorespiration in the mesophyll region, leads to the biosynthesis of phosphoglycolate. 2 carbon containing phosphoglycolate is synthesized. In C3 plants, the first stable product of photosynthesis during the dark reaction is phosphoglyceric acid. 3-phosphoglyceric acid PGA through the enzyme Rubisca. As compared to C3 plants, how many additional molecules of ATP are needed for net production of one molecule of exosugar by C4 plants. It requires 12 molecules of ATP for the fixation of one extra carbon in the C4 plants, led to the formation of 4 carbon containing oxaloacetic acid. Question number 64. Photosynthesis in C4 plants is relatively less limited by atmospheric carbon dioxide levels because the primary fixation of carbon dioxide is mediated through the enzyme phosphogenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme. During the course of C4 plants, particularly in the mesophyll region. C4 plants are more efficient in photosynthesis than C3 plants due to low rate of photorespiration. You can find the presence of highest photorespiration in case of C3 plants, but you can find the presence of low rate of photorespiration, especially in case of C4 plants. In bacterial photosynthesis, hydrogen donor is through chemoautotropic mode of nutrition. It make use of H2S. Chief function of leaves are it take part in transpiration, the loss of water in the form of water vapors from the aerial parts of the plant body, that particularly from the leaves, is called transpiration. In addition to this, leaves will effectively convert light energy into chemical form of energy through photosynthesis. Transpiration and photosynthesis. The organelles those take part in photorespiration are namely chloroplast, mitochondria and peroxisome are the main important components that are normally involved in photorespiration. Which one of the following is a wasteful process? The photorespiration is a wasteful biochemical reaction. Instead of production of sugar and ATP, it take part in the utilization of ATP led to the release of carbon dioxide. Yes, the photorespiration is a wasteful biochemical reaction. What is the stable product of cross-Lucian acid metabolism plants, CAM plants? It is naturally seen in case of succulents. As I earlier said, one of the stable compounds synthesized during the course of CAM pathway is oxaloacetic acid. 4 carbon containing oxaloacetic acid is synthesized during the course of CAM pathway, especially in the succulents. The rest of the questions will be discussed in the next class. Thank you very much.